Hey everybody, welcome back to Snack Time. So for today, I'm going to teach you all a very simple thing. If you don't know how to do it, it's amazing. But I'm going to show you how to make a grilled cheese sandwich. So I got sourdough bread, pepper jack cheese, and butter. So all you're going to do, you're going to put butter on your bread. Boom! Put butter on your bread. A little bit more. I like a lot of butter. And then you're going to take your cheese. I like cheese. And since I only got 3 pieces of cheese left anyway, I'm just gonna go ahead and put all 3 on my bread. So let's do that. Boom! 1 piece of cheese. So make sure you have your buttered side on the outside of both pieces of bread. And then we're gonna put it in the oven on the broiler setting. Now this should only take a few minutes, so we'll be right back. You guys want a little preview? Boom! Grilled cheese. Not quite done. So here you go, perfectly browned grilled cheese. Super simple and delicious. Hey Molly, why don't you come check out these?
Hey Dan, what did you make? Ooh, looks like a grilled cheese.
It's a grilled cheese sandwich.
Holy cow. That looks delicious. What kind of cheese did you use?
Pepper jack.
What kind of bread is this?
Sourdough.
Damn.
Even though everybody knows how to make a grilled cheese, but this came out of the Watkins Cookbook from 1938.
Some good recipes in there. That was not pretty. This is a good sandwich, Dan. It's nice and crispy.
Yeah, it's delicious.
But I don't see a dirty skillet. Oh.
Well, that's because I put it in the oven on the broiler setting on high for about 3 minutes.
I would have never thought to make a grilled cheese in the oven. Maybe that makes me stupid, but that's a really genius idea.
Yeah, I mean, personally, when I make grilled cheese, I like using 2 or 3 different kinds of cheese.
Make it interesting.
Make it, yeah, and you can even add like bacon to it. That's really good.
Pretty delicious. Good job.
Thanks. So, there you have it. Simple grilled cheese sandwich, made really simple.
Well, if you like this content and you want to see more vintage recipes like this vintage grilled cheese, make sure you subscribe and hit the like button. I upload new content every Wednesday and Friday, and Dan and I are always here taste testing vintage recipes.
Goodbye, everybody.
Bye.